What if I could turn this simple Casio watch into something smarter, something more modern, something more useful, maybe even a DIY smartwatch? I mean, this watch already works great. It's simple, reliable, but also kind of limited. So the question is, can I upgrade it without losing its original style? Today I'm going to try exactly that. Let's build it. First of all, you need a watch for this project. In my case, I'm going to use the one you see in the video. So I actually stopped using this watch for a while and just keep it stored in the box. This is a Casio A158WE. There are also many different versions of this watch. Some of them look really cool, like this one or this one and this one. But I decided to use my old watch for this project. You can either buy a new one or use an old one you already have, just like I did. Then I started thinking, I'm probably not the only person who wants to make a Casio watch smarter. And by a coincidence, I found someone on Instagram, Ollee Watch. I had the exact same idea, turning this watch into a smartwatch. He is also the sponsor of this video. I asked if he would like to support me with this project, and he said yes right away, which I really appreciate. If you want to try this yourself, I will put his Instagram and website in the video description below. And yeah, big thanks for him for providing the parts for this build. Once you have your watch, you can move on the next step. So in the next step, I'm going to unbox the Ollee Watch module. At this point, you should have your Casio watch ready, including the main circuit board inside. And also the small sticker, which works like a signal receiver. Once you have all of these parts, we can finally start building. The first step is to remove the back cover. There are 4 small screws on the back. Just unscrew them carefully. Once the screws are out, you can lift off the cover. Next, carefully remove the seal. Make sure not to damage it, because we will need it again later. After that, take out the inner part of the watch. This includes the frame with the display and the mainboard. Gently lift everything out of the case. Once you have taken the inner part out, hold it in your hand. On the sides you will find 4 small clips. Use a small screwdriver to carefully push them up. This will separate the metal part from the plastic frame. After that, you will be able to access the battery, the display and the main board inside. Next, remove the battery carefully. You will see a small metal piece that connects the battery to the board. For this step, you will need tweezers or another small tool. Carefully press the clip together and then remove the metal piece from the other side. Next, we take apart the frame that holds the display. First, remove the small rubber strip above the display. Then, underneath the display, there's a small clip holding it in place. You can carefully pull it down using your finger or a small screwdriver. Once the clip is released, the display will come loose. Behind the display you will find a small white plate with 2 different sides, one shiny side and one rough side. The NFC sticker needs to be attached to the rough side. After that, everything can be put back together. First, place the white plate with the NFC sticker back in, making sure the NFC sticker faces backwards. Then, reinstall the display. And finally, put the rubber strip back on top. Take the display frame and place the main circuit board from Ollee Watch into the display frame. Before doing that, make sure to reinstall the small battery contact first. Once that's done, you can insert the battery. After the battery is in place, reinstall the metal cover that holds the battery inside. Then simply clip the housing back together until it locks into place. After that, the whole unit can go back into the watch case. Before inserting it, make sure the display and the watch glass are completely clean. Also push the buttons outside, so the housing slides into more easily. And finally, place the seal back on top. Add the back cover and secure everything using the 4 screws. And that's basically the whole build. Once the watch is fully assembled, the next step is download the app. If you are using an Android device, you can download the Ollee Watch app from Google Play Store. And if you are using an iPhone, you can get it from the Apple App Store. Next, I will show you how I connected the watch to my phone. After downloading the app, you will first see this screen. Then press and hold the right button on the watch until Ollee appears on the display. After that, just follow the instructions shown in the video. It's mostly just pressing skip and following the setup steps. Once everything is connected, you will be able to access the different features and settings inside the app. For example, you can change the time format, enable different functions, and customize the watch however you like. You can also switch between 24 hours time and AM and PM format. There are also extra models and additional options you can enable. And finally, I want to show my personal setup. On the first page I have the main screen with the time and the date. Next I have the step counter, which tracks how many steps I have walked. The data is also shown really nicely inside the app, and you can connect it with Google Health and Apple Health as well. After that I can measure my heart rate. Then I have my alarms. Next there's a stopwatch, and after that a timer. I also added the temperature screen so I can see the current room temperature directly on the watch. And finally there's even a small mini game where you can play blackjack. I decided to keep my setup pretty simple. You can add many more features and functions, but for me these are the most important ones. There's also an extra feature that I really like. Just like a normal Casio watch, there's a built-in light for the display at night. But on this version you can fully customize the LED color. I decided to keep mine in light blue. So after using this watch for about 2 weeks every single day, I can finally give you my opinion about it. And honestly, I'm really impressed with how well everything works. The watch has been running perfectly so far. And all the main features works exactly like expected. The only thing I noticed is the heart rate sensor is not always 100% accurate. Sometimes the measurements are a little bit off, but besides that, all the other functions works really well. I also really like how simple and compact the whole system is. It still looks like a classic Casio watch, but now it has all these extra smart features built inside. For me, that's actually the best part about this project. Most smartwatches today are big and heavy, but this still feels like a normal watch, just smarter. Another huge advantage is the battery. I don't have to charge the watch every single day, like a normal smartwatch. Instead, the battery only needs to be replaced every few months, which is honestly really practical. The module itself costs around $55, and I will put the links in the video description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And again, huge thanks for Ollee Watch for supporting this project and providing the parts for this build. I really appreciate it. I also hope this video inspires some of you to try something like this yourself, especially if you don't like regular smartwatches but still want some smart features in smaller and more classic design. And honestly, I think this is one of the coolest way to upgrade a classic Casio watch. If you enjoyed this video, I will really appreciate if you checked out some of my other videos as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.